Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. I hope you had a good trading day. Let's jump on to the charts, what's happening in the market and how we traded today. Right. Let me share my screen with you. So let's start with the gold chart first of all and see what happened today. The market, as I said in 4 hour, the market is still bearish, and the bearish 4 hour bearish continuation will still may carry on at least until this level. So that's what we expected, and that's what happened. So you could have taken the trade, the levels I mentioned, this level, I said, once this level is broken, you potentially can take a trade. That was a trade here when this level is broken. And as you can see, there was this top level hasn't been broken. And I did mention, and once double top is formed, if you go to smaller time frame, this the double top formed. We know the trend is bearish, and that was a sell trade here. You could have taken buy from here as well. However, if you didn't, you still have had a sell trade here. And because the 4H was bearish, you could have run that trade. Also, you can see, let me clear this. Once this, as you can see that this liquidity sweep here by the 4H, and you had a good trade, a sell trade here as well. Once this level is broken, you can refine it in smaller time frame along with RSI. Let's see what the RSI says here around here. Look, once this level is broken, how brilliant this trade was. This trade was on a pullback retest trade. What a brilliant trade. You could have taken sell trade here, and there you go. TP1, and then you have TP2 here. This is this level here, as you can see, and you still keep running this trade as a TP3, and there's another level. Market fell quite a bit today, but this is another level. You can say if you're still running the trade, you could have taken this. So I didn't expect the market to go down today. However, market, anything happened. Right. Now, let's see the anatomy of the market. What happened in the market for the learning purpose? What actually happened in the market? Right. Let me take these lines off. Okay, so we had 4 hours, as I said, yes, as I mentioned earlier on, and this was a Asian zone. The Asian zone is broken as well. Going to smaller time frame, you can see more clearly. This Asian zone is broken, and we had a confirmation here to this up to this level, and then on a retest, it's highly likely our market will go down from here as well because the market is testing this level. However, it can test the further up to the upside, 1918 level. So we can, on confirmation, we can take a trade from here, sell trade. Otherwise, we'll take the sell trade from here. And if this level is broken to the upside, the next level around this level, which is around 1923-24 level, but we'll go step by step, and further levels can be 1930 and onwards. Tomorrow is CP news coming as well, and we can expect good movement in the gold, but CP is expected negative. I'll show you the chart in a minute. That's why that's another reason why gold came down already. But note that not all the time market go according to news. Sometimes it go opposite. Even the news is positive, it will go in a different direction. And if news is negative, then it won't go buy, it probably will go sell sometimes, but not all the time. Normally, we respect the news. So there's market makers in the market as well. So sometimes they move the market in not in expected direction. So further let's see further what's happening in the market. Right, this is a daily chart, and you can see here what's happened. So we took a Fibonacci from here to here, and we know this was a 0 point around this area, 0.621 level. Let me do it again. 0.61. So hence the market came to this level and went to the upside, because here was this level was 0. There's a rejection 0.50 level. Let's do again. Let me make a line here so that easily see 0.5 level and 0.6 level. Now if I remove this Fibonacci, then you can easily see why market came to this and why it was rejected. Okay, so let me remove these lines and let's see. This is a daily chart, as you can see, and there's multiple rejections from here. Why? We are in a bearish trend. We have been in a bearish trend, and there's a channel here as well. And let me draw this channel. It's a daily channel. So market is respecting this channel as well. Now we can expect the market go to further down, at least in 1885 level, and further down around this level, 1860, around 1860 level. And then we have further levels around 1815, 1810, 1810 level. So these are the different levels of the market. So let's see how the market will behave in next coming days, coming weeks. So yeah, this is a minor level as well. And we got this level. To the upside, we got these levels. Even there's a minor levels, always there's the importance of levels. However, if the market is more in a trend, there's more chances of being that trend side will be more successful. All the trades, all the level will have more likely to be respected in that direction. So I hope this is useful and you made a lot of pips today and tomorrow. Definitely, I'm expecting you can make good pips. Let me remove this channel. So I hope this is clear now. That's enough. I'll make sure you trade with reasonable lots and you manage your risk and also do trade on confirmation. Don't just blindly jump into the market. And if you miss the trade, do not trade, please, until you find the next opportunity. It's better than not trading than losing. So that's it. However, let me go on to Dixie, see what's happened in Dixie. And that did impact on the gold price, of course. As you can see, Dixie went down. It was so gold went down as well. It, as you can see, and Dixie went up and then down. So basically, in daily perspective, there is opposite movement as compared to and when Dixie went down, the gold should have gone up. However, there's opposite movement. If you can see in daily perspective, however, in 4 hours, similar situation because this movement was done. Dixie, gold did went up earlier before. Sorry, this movement, 4 hour, so gold went down and in 4 hour, Dixie gold went up. Sorry, Dixie went down, gold went up. In daily perspective, it's a little bit different, but it's just not. There's no 100% guarantee that they will go in opposite direction, but they do normally. Of course, they do normally. So it depends on how you analyze, and a lot of different things are involved. If you played your levels properly and you know how to take trades and confirmations, choose a large size, and you will not have a problem. What's happening in the Forex factory in terms of news? Let's see what's happening. We have heavy impact in GBP tomorrow. As you can see, and 130 we got CPI, core CPI and CPI, then CPI YY. This is CPI MM, and we expecting good movement around this area. If you looking to trade in GBP pair, especially GBP JPY, which gives normally good movement, you can trade the 7 p.m. There's a news on that, and let's see what's happening in that GBP JPY. Market is kind of uh, on the top of the trend. Let's see what can happen from here. Right. As you can see that this levels here, this level has been respected in 4H and market went to the upside. Now, also there is a channel being formed here. And looks like the market is respecting this channel. What we're looking now is if this level is respected, we can see the market keep coming down, rejection from here. If not, we can see a rejection from these levels. Or if they're broken, we can go. We'll see movement to the upside. Let's see what's going to happen. Market is very choppy at the moment. Looking at daily perspective, and using Fibonacci levels. Let's see. Okay, right. Market has rejected from 0.618 level, as you can see. That's a very important level. Also called golden ratio. Let me remove the Fibonacci now. The market did reject from here. Always take trades on the confirmation. And if you do that, there's no issue that you will lose money. This obviously you will have stop losses, but you'll make money. So the rejection is from here. And now if we'll see how this rejection will last. So this seems a critical area in terms of 4 hour because there's a fair value gap here as well. Further down, if you can move into the further, let's remove this, and we can see that, yeah, this is quite a good area. So if we class this as one leg, this level here, and then we can see that market can come down to this level. If this is broken, if you consider it as uptrend, and then market probably will, if it's broken, you can expect further move to the upside. So it's a very choppy situation in GBP JPY. We still got upside trend. depending on how you look at the market. It is still in the upside trend. So it is definitely the chances that this market will be lifted from here to the upside. So if you keep an eye on the smaller time frame, and you can always catch some pips. Let's normally go to head for hedge, and we take our decision from here. And the wedge bottom is formed on this level as well. And we may expect to go it further to the level and make it either this level is critical, as I said, 0.61 level. And if this is broken, we may further to the upside. If it's rejected, further to the downside. And also, we are in a channel as well. So let's see how what is working. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you're not sure, guys, do not take a risk and always manage your risks. Take smaller lots, especially if your probability is not as what you wanted. And a lot of different pairs you can try, but if you just understand the gold and trade on gold, that's more than enough. Okay, I hope this is helpful and have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.